All right. That's not very much. Those are easy to attain levels of foods. Now, how does vitamin C work?
Waking up to pee multiple times a night. Here's what your doctor isn't telling you and why ignoring it could lead to serious health risks like diabetes, kidney damage, and heart problems. Do you wake up multiple times at night just to use the bathroom? You're not alone. But frequent nighttime urination, nocturia, is not normal. It's often a warning sign of underlying health issues like insulin resistance, diabetes, or nerve dysfunction. Ignoring it can increase your risk of kidney damage, heart problems, and poor sleep quality, which are linked to diabetes, heart disease, and even dementia. The good news? 3 key vitamins can help reduce nocturia by addressing bladder control, blood sugar balance, and nerve health. And many people are deficient in them. In this video, we'll reveal what they are, how they work, and simple tips to maximize their benefits. Stick around to the end for the full breakdown. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Ready to dive deeper? Type "Yes, I am" and type where you're watching from, and I'll be sure to give you a heart of appreciation. Vitamin 1, vitamin B1, thiamine, the nerve protector. Frequent urination at night is often tied to nerve dysfunction, and vitamin B1, thiamine, plays a crucial role in keeping your nervous system healthy. Your bladder is controlled by nerves, and a deficiency in B1 can lead to bladder malfunctions, causing issues like overactive bladder and frequent urination, especially in people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Why vitamin B1 is important for bladder control. One, supports nerve function. Thiamine ensures proper nerve signaling to help the bladder contract and relax properly. A deficiency can lead to poor bladder control and involuntary urination. 2, strengthens the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath acts as an insulating layer around nerves. Without enough thiamine, this protective covering deteriorates, leading to nerve dysfunction and poor bladder regulation. 3, prevents autonomic neuropathy. Many diabetics suffer from autonomic neuropathy, a nerve disorder that affects bladder function. Supplementing with thiamine can improve nerve communication, reducing nighttime urination. 4, fights inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can damage nerve cells, making it harder for your bladder to function properly. Thiamine acts as an antioxidant, helping to reduce nerve damage and maintain healthy bladder function. 5, enhances bladder muscle control. Thiamine helps regulate bladder muscle function, preventing both leakage, weak muscles, and overactive contractions, urgency, and frequent urination. Ever feel like your bladder has a mind of its own at night? It might be lacking vitamin B1. If you're tired of those unexpected wake-up calls, drop a "better bladder with B1" in the comments, or type "already taking it" if it's part of your routine. Let's take back control of our nights. Best food sources of vitamin B1. If you're looking to increase your vitamin B1 intake, your diet is the best place to start. Some of the richest food sources of thiamine include: 1, whole grains, brown rice, oatmeal, whole wheat. 2, legumes, chickpeas, black beans. 3, nuts and seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, almonds. 4, beef liver, one of the most potent natural sources. 5, eggs and dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. 6, vegetables, green peas, asparagus. Have you eaten any of these B1 rich foods this week? Be honest. Did you grab some whole grains, nuts, or maybe some beans? If yes, type "consuming B1." If not, type "I need more B1." Let's see who's fueling their bladder health. Best supplement forms of vitamin B1. Not everyone gets enough vitamin B1 from diet alone. If that's the case, supplementation can be highly beneficial. However, not all B1 supplements are equal. Some forms are better absorbed than others. 1, benfotiamine, is a fat-soluble version that is more bioavailable and efficiently absorbed, ideal for people with insulin resistance or nerve bladder issues. 2, thiamine hydrochloride, water-soluble B1. Common form found in many supplements, but not as well absorbed as benfotiamine. 3, thiamine mononitrate, often used for energy production and nerve function. What depletes vitamin B1 levels? Certain lifestyle and dietary habits can deplete vitamin B1. increasing the risk of nocturia and bladder dysfunction. 1. High carbohydrate diets. Excess refined carbs and sugars burn through thiamine levels quickly and worsen insulin resistance, making bladder issues more likely. 2. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol interferes with thiamine absorption and increases its excretion, leading to deficiencies over time. 3. Chronic stress. High cortisol levels from stress can reduce nutrient absorption, including vitamin B1, making it harder for your body to maintain nerve and bladder health. Do you feel you're engaging in any of these habits? Let us know in the comment section. How to preserve your thiamine levels and improve bladder function. 1. Follow a low-carb diet to help prevent thiamine depletion, since excess carbs burn through your body's supply of this essential vitamin. 2. Pair thiamine with magnesium. Magnesium enhances nerve function and bladder control, making this combination especially effective for nocturia. Is your bladder waking you up at night? It might be low on vitamin B1. Drop a better sleep with B1 in the comments if you're ready to give it a try, or type "Yes, I am" if it's part of your routine. Let's see who's on this journey to better bladder control. Vitamin 2, magnesium, the bladder relaxer. If you've been struggling with frequent nighttime urination, the solution might be as simple as increasing your magnesium intake. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, influencing everything from muscle relaxation and nerve function to hormonal balance and kidney health. Many people don't get enough magnesium, leading to increased stress, bladder dysfunction, and blood sugar imbalances, all of which contribute to waking up multiple times at night to use the bathroom. Tired of those annoying late-night bathroom trips? Your body might be screaming for more magnesium. If you've been getting enough, type magnesium strong. But if you think you need a boost, type need more magnesium. Let's see who's on track for better sleep. How magnesium helps with nighttime urination. 1. Reduces cortisol levels. If your body's under chronic stress, it produces higher levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that increases urine production. This can make your bladder work overtime at night, leading to frequent trips to the bathroom. How magnesium helps. It regulates cortisol levels to prevent excessive urination. Promotes relaxation to support restful sleep. Reduces the body's stress response to minimize bladder overstimulation. Helps you sleep through the night without frequent bathroom interruptions. 2. Relaxes bladder muscles. The bladder is lined with smooth muscle tissue, and when these muscles become overactive or irritated, you feel a constant urge to urinate. How magnesium helps. Reduces bladder spasms and decreases urgency. Helps the bladder hold urine for longer periods to reduce nighttime urination. Prevents involuntary bladder contractions that wake you up at night. 3. Maintains electrolyte balance. Electrolytes play a key role in proper kidney function and fluid regulation. Low magnesium levels can disrupt electrolyte balance, leading to excessive urine production. How magnesium helps. Supports kidney function by regulating fluid retention. Helps maintain proper hydration balance to prevent excessive urination. Prevents overproduction of urine at night to reduce nocturia. Regulates blood sugar levels. Unstable blood sugar levels can cause the body to produce excess urine as a way to eliminate glucose. This can lead to frequent urination, especially at night. Distress, bladder spasms, or sugar crashes have you running to the bathroom at night? Magnesium might be your missing piece. If you're keeping your levels in check, type Magni Master. But if you think you need more, type "Fix my magnesium." Let's take back those restful nights. Scientific evidence on magnesium for bladder health. 1. A study published in Neurourology and Urodynamics found that magnesium supplementation significantly reduced symptoms of overactive bladder, making it an effective solution for nocturia. 2. Another study in the Journal of Research and Medical Sciences found that individuals with low magnesium levels experienced increased nighttime urination, proving the importance of maintaining optimal magnesium levels. Science doesn't lie. Magnesium can be a game changer for bladder health. If you're already getting your daily dose, type MG Strong. But if you need to step up your game, type Boost My Magnesium. Let's see who's on the path to fewer nighttime bathroom trips. Best food sources of magnesium. If you want to naturally boost your magnesium levels, include these magnesium-rich foods in your diet. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. 2. Nuts and seeds, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. 3. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, buckwheat. 4. Legumes, black beans, lentils, chickpeas. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, halibut. 6. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, a delicious way to increase magnesium intake. Best supplement forms of magnesium. Many people don't get enough magnesium from diet alone, so supplementation can help. However, not all magnesium supplements are equally effective. Most beneficial magnesium supplements for bladder health. 1. Magnesium glycinate, highly absorbable and gentle on digestion, best for relaxation and bladder muscle function. 2. Magnesium citrate, a good option if you also struggle with constipation, though it may have a mild laxative effect. 3. Magnesium L-threonate crosses the blood barrier, making it excellent for nerve health and cognitive function. 4. Magnesium malate, best for energy production and muscle support, useful for those experiencing bladder spasms. Factors that can deplete magnesium levels. Even if you eat magnesium-rich foods, certain lifestyle habits can drain magnesium from your body, making deficiency and nocturia more likely. 1. Chronic stress. High stress levels rapidly deplete magnesium, making supplementation even more important. 2. High sugar and processed food intake. Excess sugar interferes with magnesium absorption, making it harder for your body to use this essential mineral. 3. Diabetes and insulin resistance. These conditions increase urinary magnesium loss, leading to further deficiency. 4. Excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption. Both caffeine and alcohol act as diuretics, flushing magnesium out of the body and increasing the risk of nocturia. How to enhance magnesium absorption. 1. Pair magnesium with vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps direct magnesium to the cells where it's needed most. 2. Avoid late night caffeine and alcohol. Helps reduce nighttime urination and improve sleep quality. 3. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Supports better magnesium absorption. Have you ever noticed that stress makes your bladder act up even more at night? Magnesium helps calm your nerves and relax your bladder. Drop a no more nighttime trips in the comments if you're ready to give magnesium a try, or type already taking it if it's part of your routine. Let's see who's taking control of their bladder health. Vitamin 3, vitamin D, the kidney protector. If you're experiencing frequent nighttime urination, vitamin D might be the missing piece of the puzzle. While it may not be the first thing you associate with bladder health, vitamin D plays a crucial role in kidney function, fluid balance, and calcium regulation, all of which directly impact your ability to control urination. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency can weaken kidney function, increase urine production, and contribute to inflammation, leading to nocturia. How vitamin D helps with nocturia. 1. Regulates fluid balance and blood pressure. The renin-angiotensin system is responsible for controlling fluid retention and urine excretion. When vitamin D levels are low, this system becomes dysregulated, leading to excess urine production at night. 2. Supports kidney function. Your kidneys filter excess fluids and regulate hydration balance. When vitamin D levels drop, kidney function declines, leading to frequent urination and disrupted sleep. 3. Enhances calcium absorption for bladder control. Calcium is essential for muscle contractions and nerve function, including the muscles that help your bladder hold urine properly. Without vitamin D, calcium absorption decreases, leading to bladder dysfunction and increased urgency. 4. Reduces bladder irritation and inflammation. Many people with nocturia experience bladder irritation and inflammation, making it harder to hold urine for long periods. Vitamin D's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the bladder and reduce nighttime urgency, helping you enjoy longer, uninterrupted sleep. Is your bladder waking you up at night? Low vitamin D might be the culprit. If you're soaking up enough sunshine or supplementing, type D defense mode on. But if you think you need more, type boost my D. Let's take control of our nights. Scientific evidence on vitamin D for bladder health. 1. A study published in Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation found that vitamin D supplementation significantly improved kidney function and reduced nocturia in individuals with vitamin D deficiency. 2. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that low vitamin D levels were directly linked to increased urinary frequency and bladder dysfunction. The science is clear. Vitamin D is a game changer for bladder health. If you're keeping your levels up, type D, powered. But if you think you need more, type time for more D. Let's see who's on track for better nights and fewer bathroom trips. Best food sources of vitamin D. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna, best natural sources of vitamin D. 2. Egg yolks. Provides a steady source of vitamin D. 3. Fortified dairy and plant-based milk, cow's milk, almond milk, and soy milk brands are enriched with vitamin D. 4. Mushrooms, especially those exposed to sunlight, making them a great plant-based source. 5. Sunlight exposure. Spending at least 15 to 30 minutes outside daily allows your body to naturally produce vitamin D. Have you had your dose of sunshine or vitamin D rich foods this week? If you've been soaking it up or eating right, type D loaded. But if you need to step it up, type need more D. Let's see who's fueling their body the right way. Best supplement forms of vitamin D. 1. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, the most bioavailable and effective form, closely matching what the body naturally produces from sunlight. 2. Vitamin K2 combination. Taking vitamin D3 with vitamin K2 ensures calcium is directed to bones and teeth instead of accumulating in the kidneys or arteries. This helps prevent kidney stones and cardiovascular issues while maintaining proper calcium balance. Factors that can deplete vitamin D levels. 1. Limited sun exposure. If you spend most of your time indoors or constantly wear sunscreen, your body may not be producing enough vitamin D naturally. 2. Obesity and insulin resistance. Excess fat storage prevents vitamin D from being properly utilized, reducing its effectiveness. 3. Kidney or liver disease. Since vitamin D is processed through these organs, any impairment can hinder its activation and function. 4. Aging. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation even more important. 5 ways to maximize vitamin D's effectiveness for nocturia. 1. Cut down on carbs. Reducing carb intake helps stabilize blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and prevents excessive urine production. 2. Avoid late night eating. Eating too close to bedtime, especially foods high in salt and sugar, can increase fluid retention and urine output. Aim to stop eating at least 3 hours before bed to reduce nighttime urination. 3. Ensure adequate nutrient intake. Keep vitamin D, magnesium, and B1 levels optimized for proper kidney and bladder function. These nutrients work together to prevent nocturia and support bladder health. 4. Try intermittent fasting. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity, lowers inflammation, and reduces stress, all of which help regulate fluid balance and urinary function. 5. Prioritize quality sleep and exercise. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that regulate urine production. Regular exercise balances blood sugar, reduces stress, and strengthens bladder control. Frequent nighttime urination doesn't have to be your new normal. Addressing the root causes with vitamin B1, magnesium, and vitamin D alongside key lifestyle changes can help you 1. Sleep better. 2. Improve bladder function. 3. Support kidney health. Let's hear from you. How many times do you wake up at night to use the bathroom? Comment below with 1, 2, 3 plus times, or not anymore if you've seen improvements. Let's start the conversation and help each other reclaim restful nights. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on life-changing health solutions.